Hello, everybody. This is Dominic, the Dominic from the Theme Park Riders channel, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to use the Disney World app, which is right there on your screen. All right. Okay, everybody. Here we go. Here is the screen. Here's the display. You tap the middle plus button, and right there, as you can see it, wait till auto focuses, is by tickets and passes. And the top is reserved dining. And we're going to tap this fourth one, and we're going to tap the fourth one right there. Now, basically, this is not that easy. So basically, everybody, I want you guys to pay very close attention because I don't want you guys messing up. So right here you have the theme park tickets. Annual passes are very expensive. Please do not. Our recommendation is, if you're from another state, recommendation: do not buy the Florida annual passes, because that's expensive stuff right there, everybody. Holy smokes! So we're going to do this. So we're going to, since I'm a Florida resident, since my sister and my brother-in-law are not Florida residents, and they're gone sooner enough, 2020, because the year is 2020. So here's the options. 1 out of 7. Now, 7 days, highly recommend you don't. Wait, hold on a second. Let's see how much is 7 days. You can check out anytime you like. Alright. Holy smokes, if I wonder how much this is for 3 adults, 2 kids. Whoa! Highly recommendation, do not buy. Do not do 7 days. No, sir, Bobby. Honestly, 7 days is not a good idea. And I can tell you that. 7 days isn't good. So, recommendation, don't go to 7 days. And we're gonna go back. Now let's go back to theme park tickets again for that. 4 days. If you want to go to 3 days, that's fine. The 21st. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Oops, hit the wrong thing. For 3 adults, 2 kids. It's not that bad. Well, it is bad. $2,149.96. Holy smokes. Hang on, everybody. I'm trying to... Hang on, everybody. I gotta fix something here. So, basically, everybody, this is how much you're going to start paying for the theme parks and for the non-Florida residents, and for 3 adults and 2 kids. So, everybody, that concludes the video. So, peace out, everybody.